Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about his YouTube channel. He started his channel back on November 11, 2008. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 520,000. Total amount of views is 150 million views. Average daily subs is at 209. Monthly subs is 9,281. Daily income. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. Daily views, he gets about 130,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber between $2 to $5. So let's give it $3. Daily income is $390. Monthly income is $11,700. Annual revenue. This is going to be an estimate. Income is $140,400. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $77,220. Now Chuck also has Amazon affiliate links on his YouTube channel, so he has about 520,000 subs. And let's say 1% of a subscriber buys something, that's 5,200. And I checked on his links, and the average is about $40. So let's say 3% commission, and that's about $1.50. So do the math, 5,200 times $1.20 is $6,240 per year extra. It's pretty good. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.